Welcome to today's video. We are going to cover opening a TD Ameritrade account. This will be the very first video of the series on how to set up your ThinkorSwim platform. Of course, we will need a TD Ameritrade account before we do that. So I'll have a link down in the bio of this video or in the description, and you guys can come here and open a new account. First thing it's going to ask you is what kind of account. Obviously this is going to vary by person. For our purposes today, we will open the individual account here, and I'll go ahead and fill this out and we'll be right back. Then we will fill out some personal information followed by financial information. For our purposes here today, I'll pick FDIC insured. This one you're going to want to consult with the financial advisor because this is not financial advice. And from here we'll click on client services and general, and then we will make sure that we have, for myself, I like to set the tax lots to tax efficient loss harvesting, and for more information on that I recommend just looking through the tutorial and get more information from TD, and also consulting with your financial advisor. We will make sure that we have option trading enabled, so we'll go in at the very bottom of that page that you get to will be these two options here, and so just answer these honestly. You're going to want to put the whatever you are, and last but not least you're going to come back to that general client services general, and we're going to go to the bottom, and we're going to actually, this will say not signed, and you're going to come in here and make sure you sign all of the documentation and just answer it to the best of your abilities. And we'll catch you guys in the next video where we will discuss setting up the ThinkorSwim platform. Alright, see you guys in the live session.